YouTube. So who decides to make a YouTube?
This guy.
Well, this girl. Let me figure out what camera to look at because I have the camera where the lens goes up so I can see myself. But I'm looking at you, of course, so I don't need to look at myself. Oh, how vain of me to do that. All right, so anyway, I am going to be doing a waxing. And since we're in quarantine and none of the nail salons are open, this guy is definitely growing in. Do you see this? Do you see the detail? She looking like a mud. Sometimes I don't know what God's intentions was with me. I'm a woman. I have a deep voice. I have boobs, but then I have a mustache.
Lord, we got some things to talk about.
Oh my goodness! So anyway, I am going to be using the at-home kit from Femiro. I ordered this off Amazon. I believe it was like 50 bucks or whatever. So it wasn't that bad, you know, for something that you're gonna do yourself. And if I like it, then hey, I'm gonna be saving a lot of $12 that I spend getting this guy done. I never opened it, so let's get to going. And you can see me while I unpackage this bad boy. All right, let's see what it has in it. Oh, that's pretty cool. I'm so excited. So here goes the waxing kit. Look at it. This looks just like the one that they use at the shop. I have the 14.1 ounce now. They had a smaller one. And if there's anything smaller than this, I don't think I would. It comes with 4 waxes already, and they are all hard wax. And guess what? Great, it comes with these. Now, it doesn't have wax strips, so I guess you don't use them. So yes, let's get this ball rolling, because Miss Pearly is about to go. Oh, y'all remember on Friday when she said, "See your fine ass daddy," I said, "Hey." And it was like, get this lined up. And she said, "Don't worry about it. I know someone that like it." Let's see what color I want to use, guys. Pink? I say pink. Ooh, look at all the colors. So this is supposed to melt. They say in about 25 minutes. It is fully melted. Oh, it smells just like it. They might have just lost them a customer. Look at that. Oh man. Ah! Ah! Okay guys, do not put your hand on it like that like I just did. Okay, I put my hand on the inside. Don't do that. Disclaimer. Oh wow, do y'all see that? Oh. Test it on your hand. Well, I'm gonna do my hand because my arms are hairy as shit. I'm gonna twirl it because this is what I see them do at the nail salon. Is it too hot? Oh no, it's great. It's not hot at all. Oh look, it's hard. It's definitely hard. So I'm going to clean this off. There we go. Oh my gosh, y'all can see it even better. So it came with these bigger size ones right here, and then came with the smaller one. Since I'm gonna be doing the top of my lip, I think I'm gonna use the small one. Okay, they say the same direction as my hair growth. So my hair growth is growing down. Ooh, that's kind of, man, that's kind of sticky. Ooh, that dries pretty quick. I think maybe I should have, yeah, I should have let it heat up some. Ooh, shoot. I am so messy. And then I don't think I need this much. I think I'm overdoing it. I think I am doing way too much. Woo! Okay, I'm gonna let this sit. Look at it. For 45 seconds, right? Oh my gosh, it hurts already. 1, 2, 3. Look, guys. It's gone. The hair. Can you guys see it? Do you see that? Let's do the other side. What I'm doing is I'm holding it down, right? And then I'm gonna pull. 1, 2, 3. And it came off. I feel like I still feel a little hair right there. We're gonna do this one more time, right? And I'm gonna do it upward. And I'm applying a lot of pressure so the hair can, this is the only thing I don't like. And maybe I didn't leave it on there long enough. This side is pretty much gone, but I'll do it again. Cause I still feel like 2-3 hairs. My hair is like definitely gone. It's pretty dry, like it's not coming off. And I like it because you don't need wax strips. You know how like when you go to the nail salon, they put the wax strips on there, but with this, it's like you don't even need wax strips. You just need to get a little lift. Oh, look at that. Yep, and there it is. It's gone. It was definitely some hair left on there. Like it is getting all of my hair. Like I hope it don't grow back thicker. She's really a man. Ooh, I don't think I'm gonna go back to the nail salon and let them do my mustache again. No. And now I'm gonna clean it again. Ooh, that burns. I'm so happy with this. Like, I'm really, really happy. Let me look at my phone. Yeah, I'm really happy with these results. Alright, thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And, you know, watch more of me because I'm going to be doing a lot more videos. And let me know, what did you think about this one? What other videos would y'all like me to do? What other videos would y'all like me to see? I mean, what videos would y'all like to see from me since I'm going to be doing my channel now? So, yeah, thanks for watching.